Okay, here today we're in Bushnell, Florida for an auction we're having this week, October 16th on Wednesday. Right here we're looking at two Kobelco Sk140Srs. Especially this is lot number 397 right here. Both of these machines have hydraulic thumbs, ready to go to work if you got some trees you need to clean up. These two, either one of these units should go directly to the job. .24-inch pads that'll be legal on your tag along. $1,300 hours is all on this one. Good machines. We also have some Kobelco 210s, Kobelco 350s, some Doosan's with some thumbs. So we have some machines. This Wednesday, October 16th here in Bushnell, Florida. Thank you.